Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, my this video contains a very beautiful, elegant, stylish, and trendy design patterns that are three in one treat to you. That is absolutely you have heard me right. In this entire video collection, you will get about ideas of how you can make your baby girl dresses with the art of handwork, hand embroidery, needlework, needle art, and at the same time, these very beautiful patterns of embroidery are equally favorable for machine embroidery, computer embroidery, digital embroidery as well. And the third main and the most important perspective of this video is that you are going to get different type of stylized ideas of stitching, tailoring ideas that how you can sew and stitch these baby girl dresses of your babies. Just after making the hand embroidery pattern, the main and the next important concern is about the stitching styles or the tailoring patterns. Then these very beautiful patterns, along with the usage of laces, along with the usage of different stylized patterns of stitching, is being used over here. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end because our today's video contains almost creative 50 plus trending amazing ideas that are unique in their self and give very mesmerizing ideas. Some visual pictures of how these dresses will be looking onto your baby girls are being shared with you. All of these are traditional Eastern style and highly purely vintage style patterns. So instead of paying a lot of amount of money to designer dresses, to designer tag dresses, I would recommend you to do try these patterns at home. So those who are lovers of hand embroidery, those who are beginners of hand embroidery, those who are freshly dotting mothers and they are in search of becoming a designer of their own child, then this video collection is absolutely for them. And if unfortunately from our today's video you are unable to get the beautiful, amazing or trendy design ideas for which you are looking for, then no need to worry about it. You can explore my channel's playlist Baby Frocks onto which I have shared thousands of designs along with handwork, hand art and stitching and sewing styling guide that how you can design your baby girl dresses. So the scope is not only limited to this, you can get thousands of millions of designs onto my channel in different categorizations in the format of differently arranged playlists for the work of handwork, hand art, hand embroidery. So creatively, all of these are patterns that are specifically designed for the baby girls. Different color range, like moving from soft, light tones of dresses to moving towards medium shade tones to moving and ranging towards that dark shades have been shared and have been shown to you. So all I want you is that if you really like these designs and ideas, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. The basic intent of sharing designs and creating videos with you uh, and sharing them through my YouTube channel is to share creativity and design ideas with those who are lovers of hand embroidery, who are a community of hand embroidery, or who are the ones who really like the work of hand art. So if you really like, don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the comment section, leave comments that what you want us to share with you in our new and more upcoming videos. Because on our daily basis, we try our level best to share designs and creativity with you. So stay blessed and keep watching and keep loving us like you always have been. So, thank you so much for watching. See you in my new video.